Welcome to today's video. Let's explore the interesting things of the wildlife world. A mother's love is always scared when a mother's warm heart for her child never changes. As this truth is always true, not only for humans, but also for animals. An angry mother buffalo killed a lion to save her calf. Giving birth to a child is thousands of hardships and pain that formed motherhood in the world of humans and even wild animals. In the wild, the struggle for survival begins as soon as the animal is born, and they must learn to adapt to the outside world as quickly as possible, because if they are too weak or slow, they can become the prey for other predators. Lions are hiding around and waiting for the right opportunity to hunt, as the target is the baby buffalo. They start to attack, and the mother tries to fight back to protect her calf. The mother's love has given the mother buffalo the strength to chase away the hungry lions. The struggle for survival between carnivores and herbivores. It uses its hard and sharp horn to attack the lion so that the calves have a chance to run away. Lions are pack hunters and extremely aggressive, as they are a terror to herbivores. The brave mother buffalo rushes to save a child from the clutches of death. Collective strength is always very important in the natural environment, to protect each other and to watch out for each other in the midst of nature that is full of threats. The lions eventually had to temporarily ignore their prey because of the fierce resistance of the adult buffaloes. But that does not mean that they give up the opportunity to catch the young buffalo. And the mother buffalo is still determined to protect the young buffalo till the end. Direct confrontation with the bloodthirsty species, the buffaloes try their best to protect the calves and chase away the fierce lions that flirt around. Many times, the buffalo herd was attacked and had to fight fiercely to win their own life before the clutches of death. Not only the young buffalo, but if one buffalo in the herd is attacked, the buffalo herd is ready to join forces to save their fellows. But when separated from the herd and alone, selling your life to death is a difficult thing to avoid. The buffalo uses its strong horn to attack the opponents and knock them away. In the wild, the majority always prevails over the few. The lions, under the fierce and strong resistance, had to find a way to retreat. And when the desire to survive rises, herbivores can kill even carnivores. Many times, herbivores escape death with the help of their fellows. They fight together and survive together. and make the hunter the hunted. The lioness in nature can kill animals, even if they are violent and bloodthirsty. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe and like to see more interesting videos. See you next time.